Gapsheet is an analytics product specifically focused on the mutual fund portfolio of a customer. This only works with a CAMS Carvey RTA statement, which can be generated from carveymfs.com or camsonline.com. It works with a detailed RTA statement which is since inception. Such statements can be generated on behalf of the investor, and they go to the investor's email ID. Once you have such an PDF from the investor, you again go to MFIT's portal, you choose the file like we did previously, and you upload the file, and you can download something called the Gapsheet. What Gapsheet does is it generates the portfolio performance, which is at an overall level what kind of CAGR that the portfolio has made, or at an asset class level, debt, how much has debt generated, how much has equity been generated at a scheme wise, folio wise level. It also calculates advisor level performances in terms of how much money you invested with which advisor and what was the return generated with a particular advisor. It calculates tax, both long term and short term, both present and historical, and it also calculates exit loads, so that you're able to see which are the units that can be exited as of now, which are the units which have to be exited in the future. If an advisor wants to go into detail, there is an aging table also which gives the details of taxation and exit load, so that you can cross check the calculations which have been made. Using this sheet, an advisor can advise a client on the portfolio which is purchased outside his ARN.